At Dave Cooper Live, we connect the industry leaders in the architectural, engineering, and construction space with the people, the products, and the processes to help them build it better. All right, welcome everyone to Dave Cooper Live, where we bring you the people, the products, and the processes, helping us all to build it better. And today we're talking about a market estimated to hit $228 billion in the next 5 years. That's right. That's what the folks at Advancing Prefabrication have to say. And this is the show bringing it together. The professionals from planning and design, single trade, multi-trade, and modular construction who are transforming the AEC ecosystem with industrialized construction. Today, we're going to take a look back and a look forward as we hope to see you there. Advancing Prefab, Tuesday, February 17th through the 19th in Phoenix, Arizona. And guess what? Check the comments in this live feed. You might just find a discount code to save you some cash on that registration fee. Happening again, February 17th through the 20th in Phoenix, Arizona. Links to register and save are in the show notes. Advancing Prefabrication. Don't miss it. But that's not it. 1 week later, we're going to be at the International Builders Show, Tuesday, February 25th through the 27th in Las Vegas. All right, but before we get into today's show, we have to thank all of our supporting members. So how about a big shout out to our good friends at Cobalt Creed? These conversations are powered by them, and they are a dealer distributor for the Unico system, a small duct, energy efficient central HVAC for homes and businesses where space is a premium. So please reach out to Sean and Tagliata and Dave Stewart to learn more at cobaltcreed.com. And don't forget these supporting members either. And then we're going to get right into the show. CombiLift is the largest global manufacturer of multi-directional forklifts and straddle carriers, a leader in long load handling solutions, offering a free warehouse and site optimization design service. CombiLift helps companies of all sizes and from every industry maximize the capacity, safety, and efficiency of their warehouse and storage facilities. A big thank you to Paul Short and the team at CombiLift for helping us all to build it better. Visit them at combilift.com. Ready to scale up your offsite construction business? Introducing 4A Constructs, your solution to finding skilled labor for offsite manufacturing. Say goodbye to the headache of recruiting a skilled workforce with hand-selected certified tradesmen that are expertly trained and managed for offsite manufacturing, set crews, and finished crews, ensuring maximum productivity and safety. Unlock the future of skilled workforce development for all of your offsite construction needs. Visit them at 4aconstructs.com. All right. Again, thank you to all of our supporting members. And don't forget about all these supporting members as well. If you'd like to see your logo across there, check out the show notes. There'll be a link. You can sign up, and we'll be more than happy to put your branding on our show, because we can't do any or all of this without all of you supporting us out there, because we are invite only. Nobody tells us who or what to have on this show. So we're bringing you guys the real deal all the time. All right, let's hop into the show. Again, thank you to all the supporting members. Check this out. This is from last year, Advancing Prefab. Dave Cooper, and we're at Advancing Prefab, and I am standing here with David Jordan from the Lincoln Electric Company, and behind me is a welding machine, not just a welding machine, a mobile welding machine that is also manual. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what this does?
So this is a welding cobot. So what this allows us to do is to automate the welding process. And the idea with this cobot is it's a collaborative robot, which means that the operator can stand next to this robot and program the robot and operate and weld with this cobot while standing right next to it. And
so when you say weld, help me understand that. So is the robot welding, or are you helping the robot weld?
So we're helping program the positions of the welding torch.
Got it.
And we have our welding power source, which is on this mobile unit, which allows us to run many different welding processes on many different materials: carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum materials, different thicknesses of materials, all contained on this unit. So we're welding with this torch here.
So with the manual side of this, so you can actually, a trained welder can use this and grab it here and show it exactly where it needs to go, or program it where it needs to go, but they can do it manually, and then they hit the button and it does exactly what you told it to do.
Exactly. The idea with the cobot is we're trying to make the programming and the teaching of the robot a lot easier than it was with traditional robots.
Right.
So we can actually physically move this torch to the positions where we want it to weld, and program that location, take it to the next point, program that location, and then let the robot do the welding after that.
And it goes point to point based on what you
point
put
to
in.
point. And we also have, in our new Cooper app that we have in this system, we actually have automatic weld programming as far as the welding procedure goes.
Right.
So we just tell the system what thickness of material, what type of weld, what material, and the system will automatically program the welding procedure that you need for that particular application.
And it's safe, right? Something you said that I thought was really interesting. One, it's mobile, so you don't need the safety cages or the safety lasers that would shut it down as soon as you open the door across the line.
Right, exactly. It's very safe. The operator can work right beside it. Traditional robotics, you had to add safety curtains, safety guarding, because those robots moved at a higher pace and could cause a lot of physical injury, right? So with this type of system, very safe to operate and run it right beside. The operator can stand right next to it while it's welding.
How's Advancing Prefab been for you this year?
It's been really good. Yeah.
You guys were here last year with a different setup, you know?
We were here. We were here last year as well. And I mean, there's been a lot of interest in the cobot. I think people see how easy it is now to integrate automation into your operations, and help you out with the welding. We've got a shortage of welders out in the industry right now. So we're trying to provide solutions that allow a machine to do the welding instead of a human.
I'm going to send my 16-year-old daughter to you. She wants to weld. You good with that?
Sign her up. Yeah, absolutely.
David Jordan, thanks so much for taking a few minutes. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching. Tell us a little bit about what you do. You got 60 seconds.
All right, so we are a 3D electrical BIM company. We support electrical contractors with developing their 3D model, and we can stand up a prefab department if that's what people need, or we do modeling. We support kind of the full spectrum of all BIM services.
And how has this show been for you?
Fantastic. Met a lot of cool people, lots of good contractors that we work with and that we want to work with.
There you have it, straight from Advancing Prefab. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching. All right, everybody, we are at Advancing Prefab, and somebody that came out of the woodwork for the second time for me is a company called Dirt, and I am standing with David Brown. David, how's your experience been here so far?
It has been amazing. Great show, great quality of people coming through. Still, even though Dirt has been doing multi-trade prefabrication for almost 2 decades, lots of people still coming in and having aha moments when they see the timber frame, they see some of the things that we're doing with healthcare. It's been really, really cool.
I mean, it's a modular system where you can plug and play, you can update the interiors of your building.
Yeah.
So, for instance, you mentioned like a hospital, right? A hospital can come in and renovate, put in all the new gas lines, wiring, whatever they need based on what the technology changes, right?
Absolutely, and technology changes, they say once every 18 months. I think it's faster than that. When hospitals open on day one, the technology they bought, they procured years before that is already obsolete.
Right.
If you build with traditional stick-built construction, it's extremely cost prohibitive and time prohibitive to make any changes, so people just, they make do, and that's just not fair to the patients, not fair to the caregivers. But with dirt, think of it as almost like Lego. It can click together and click apart. Easy access to continually keep your spaces relevant. That's one of the reasons we're in business, is we want spaces always to be amazing and relevant like they were on day one.
And I mean, we're standing in a prototype of what it would look like. So, I mean, you couldn't tell this was a plug and play type wall system, or a system at all. So, how's this show been for you overall? I mean, you've got all the big players coming to this show.
Yeah, it has been it's been awesome. Lots of our clients that we've been working with for a number of years, lots of new clients. But what's really exciting for us is all the other trades that are starting to really think about offsite construction, prefabrication, driven by safety, driven by efficiencies. And the more we can get together and build in a prefabricated manner, the faster we're going to get people into spaces.
David, thanks so much for taking a few moments. I'm awesomely happy that I got to run into you here.
You're welcome.
So there you have it, everybody. We're at Advancing Prefab. If you're not here, you're missing out. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.
What an amazing show. Thank you to all of our sponsors for helping us to continue to bring all of these innovative conversations to all of you out there. Please visit them, see what they have to offer you, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell. It would mean the world to us. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.